Hi all, Varun here. Welcome back to Thriller Bonsai. And today with us is this golden juniper tree, guys. We have to work on this tree today. We got it from Nursery stock. We got it from Jalaram Nursery a few days back, and you can see it's still packed inside that particular nursery packing. And it's in a clay soil, so we have to definitely get it planted as soon as possible in a well-draining bonsai soil, guys. The climate is good out here. It's raining, and I hope the tree recovers well after this particular reporting, guys. So इसका reporting देखते रहिए only on Thriller Bonsai. Keep watching. Juniper. Guys, here with us is this beautiful golden juniper जिसको हम लोग ने परचेस किया है from Jalaram Nursery, and I think this is the first time that we have a golden juniper with us. Previous time जिसके ऊपर मैंने काम किया था that was not juniper, it was golden cypress, and this time we have a genuine juniper tree, guys, जिसके ऊपर आज हम लोग काम करेंगे. It's a coniferous tree, so we have to be utmost careful because रूट्स अगर ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब करते हैं कॉनिफेरस ट्रीज के, सो दे डोंट रिस्पॉन्ड वेल बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे आर फ्रॉम अ कोल्डर क्लाइमेट, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी ट्रिकी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द नर्सरी बैग वी नीड टू ओपन इट अप एज वी नीड टू रिमूव द क्ले सॉइल. हम लोग को इसको बोनसाई बनाना है, सो डेफिनेटली वी हैव टू प्लांट इट इन अ वेल ड्रेनिंग बोनसाई सॉइल, जिसके लिए पहले विल गेट रिड ऑफ द क्ले सॉइल. मे बी कम्प्लीटली, मे नॉट बी कम्प्लीटली, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ easily the soil comes out, guys. So roots को मिनिमल डैमेज करेंगे हम लोग. कोशिश करेंगे कि डैमेज जो हो वो सबसे मिनिमम हो, एंड द सॉइल इज डायरेक्टली कमिंग आउट विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग फॉर अस. सपोर्ट के लिए ये स्टिक लगाया होगा उन्होंने. वी विल गेट रिड ऑफ दैट फॉर नाउ, डोंट नीड दैट. अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी तो लगाएंगे, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो. सो लेट्स रिमूव द सॉइल. लेट्स सी कितना सॉइल निकलता है. मे बी रूट बॉल के इधर का सॉइल थोड़ा बहुत भी मे रिटेन, बट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द सॉइल विल हैव टू रिमूव, गाइस. I can find some peanuts here, which is very strange. किसी ने खाया होगा, and that's why we ended up getting peanuts here. The soil is coming out nicely. Good to see that. उन्होंने ये टाइम थोड़ा सा sand यूज़ किया है, so जिसकी वजह से soil is coming out really well. I don't have to spend more energy or efforts. You can see it coming out pretty easily, isn't it? Guys, the soil comes out very well, and it has a nice root base as well. So I'm not going to wash these roots because कुछ microorganisms होते हैं, मैंने सुना था, which are attached to it, or some kinds of fungus which is attached to it, which is beneficial. So whenever we are working on coniferous trees, we should not be washing away the roots, and also we can keep a little bit of soil. So I'm going to keep that in mind, and I'm just going to plant it straight away. So you have to care for the roots. Just that this root is too long. इसको थोड़ा सा मैं prune करूँगा. Nothing apart from that. So I'm going to retain the rest of the roots as they are. ज़्यादा कुछ काम नहीं करूँगा, and we are straight away going to plant this tree, guys, now. And with us is this beautiful purple pot, guys. Lavender purple pot. So ये बहुत खूबसूरत दिख रहा है. It's a brand new pot from V Green. Thanks to them, I've always been using such pots. Plastic pots work the best for me. They look good and easy to work with as well. सिर्फ इसको होल जो है वो मैन्युअली अपने को काटने पड़ते हैं. That you can easily do. But the pot quality is really good. मस्त है बहुत. So let's plant it now, guys. एक layer of bonsai soil सबसे पहले मैं ऐड करूँगा नीचे. एंड दैट्स आवर स्टैंडर्ड बोनसाई सॉइल, गाइस. मोस्टली इसमें इनऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल है, ग्रेवल एंड परलाइट, very little bit of thick moss. Now we have to place the tree, guys. कितना खूबसूरत दिख रहा है ये. So we have to decide a front, so you can see the tree from all the angles. So it's looking good from all the angles, I must say. सच में बहुत ही खूबसूरत है ये. But if I have to choose one front, maybe I would choose, hard to make, maybe this one. Like this. Yeah, this one makes a good front, I think. Okay, so we have some side branches coming out here, and ये बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहा है. So ऐसे ही उसको प्लांट करते हैं. I'm going to place the plant in the middle, and immediately we have to put soil. Just ensure that it is in the center. That it is in the center. So we can put more soil now. So it has a very small trunk and it's having a huge foliage. So we have to be very careful with the balancing of this tree. So it is fitting well, but it's not balancing properly. As you can see, it's falling over. So we'll have to put more soil surely. So let's work the soil into the roots nicely now first. So that's all. As you can see, this is the final plantation of our juniper tree. I'm not going to prune it at all. Just आपको दिखा देता हूँ कैसे दिख रहा है ये from all the four sides. It's tightened up nicely. So many people were requesting for my garden view. So here it goes. A quick view of all my trees. You can see here. There's the bird feeder. And here we have all the bonsai trees planted here nicely, as you can see. So guys, that's all for today. If you guys like this particular video, please make sure you hit the like button, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and keep watching To Learn Bonsai. And have a very good day. Stay fit, stay healthy, keep planting trees. Goodbye and have a very good day.